Hi, I'm Nelson Hill, Electronic Service Team Leader here at Yalabo USA. Today we're going to show how to install the second Pt100 connector on your Presto highly dynamic temperature control system. This allows you to measure a second temperature in your system, but it does not allow control from this port. The only control is from the front Pt100 port that's standard on the Presto. So before you begin, notice there's a sticker here that says to have the power disconnected, so make sure the power is disconnected before you start. Then remove the screws on the cover plate. And then you'll notice that there's another screw in here that's holding a connector fast. That is so the wire doesn't get lost inside of the unit. Next, you'll need to open up the packaging that has your Pt100 connector and insert the connector into the slot on the board and press to firmly seat it. Once you have the cable inserted, you can reinstall the screws that were holding the cover plate. Once the module is installed, you can connect an external Pt100 sensor to it and enable it in the menu on the Presto. So that is the installation of the second Pt100 input on a Presto highly dynamic temperature control system. Thank you for watching.